I'm Dr. Gemma Newman and I'm a GP and broadcaster, and today I'd like to help you with a few top tips to improve your health. I'd like to talk to you today about how to get rid of leg cramps. Now firstly, I want to ask, why do leg cramps happen? Well, leg cramps are due to spasm in the muscles, and often we don't really know why that happens, although it does tend to get much more common as you get older. And it's around about half of people over the age of 80 that can get cramps much more regularly. They tend to occur in the calves and the feet, and also they're much more common at rest, although they can occur at any time. Sometimes there is an underlying medical reason why you're getting leg cramps. So if you have any additional symptoms, it's worth seeing your GP about this. Other reasons why you may have leg cramps include thyroid problems or salt imbalances, certain medications, diabetes, or something else like thyroid problems. Okay, however, if you have no other symptoms, the chances are you have normal, simple leg cramps. So what do we do about them? Well, my best advice is to give yourself an immediate stretch of the muscle. This tends to improve the symptoms almost instantaneously. Now, calf stretches are also quite useful, so if you're getting your cramps in the calf, I would suggest leaning forward from standing, pushing against a wall with your feet flat on the floor. If you do this, I'm hoping that your leg cramps will improve. If you're getting a cramp in your foot, then what you must do is to push the foot back through the pain, and then hopefully that will ease the cramp off straight away. There's not much point taking painkillers for leg cramps because they come on so quickly, and by the time the painkiller has worked, the cramp will have eased off. Having said that, some people find paracetamol useful for any kinds of muscle strains or muscle aches after leg cramps. I'd also suggest, if it's particularly severe, that you go back and see your doctor. There are certain medications that you can take for leg cramps. Quinine is an example. However, if you do need to take quinine for regular leg cramps, I'd advise you to stop it at least every 3 months to see if you still need it, because there are certain side effects, some serious. I hope that's been useful, and I hope that your leg cramps disappear soon.